There are a lot of people on the front lines of the COVID-19 fight, including healthcare workers who put themselves at risk when we need them the most. A Vancouver photographer wanted to show his appreciation for their brave work, so he started a social media campaign to tell their stories. Robin Gill has more.
I've never been worried or scared in my life as of now.
I'm exhausted. A lot of the work that I've been doing is very much behind the scenes, preparing for the potential surge.
Holding like that, yeah, there you go.
They're healthcare workers, overloaded by the worst healthcare crisis in modern history. Outside the hospital, Vancouver photographer Erich Saide is capturing the faces of this momentous time.
Wanting to create more positive content for social media. A lot of the, not negative, but just a lot of everything to do with COVID that's out there. I just saw this need to create images and at the same time showcase or highlight the frontline workers.
Saide started the Humans of Support project. The photographs are intended to show an appreciation of what they're doing at work by profiling them outside hospitals, but also in places where they can't be, like the beach.
He's not here enjoying himself. Why are you? And if you're here enjoying yourself a little too much, there's more of you that are going to be heading to the hospital.
Saide is starting the project with healthcare workers. Soon it'll be flight crews doing international runs to bring Canadians back home, not to mention the store workers providing essential services, and the list goes on. His work can be found on Instagram, and the response has been emotional.
I'm still absorbing it all right now because it's so surreal what everyone's going through.
His subjects are just as overwhelmed by the response, given the stress they're under.
You're just bombarded with doom and gloom, and so having like a beautiful little shining light in the midst of all of that, I think is a really, really important thing for us, for morale.
Thank you.
But there's a message behind every photograph.
So I want to support and be an advocate in providing awareness to the community on how vital, how risky, how important is what we are doing inside the hospital, so that people would take their responsibilities more serious of staying home.
It's a responsibility both subjects and photographer are taking seriously, and hope that message resonates with the rest of the world with these photographs. Robin Gill, Global News, Vancouver.
We know staying home is critically important to our healthcare workers. Iconic Canadian band Bare Naked Ladies knows how hard it is to pass the time stuck at home, so they've done something special to brighten our spirits.
We know you're getting a little bored, because we're getting a little bored. So we've come up with the Selfie Cam Jam.
We're going to leave you on this Sunday night with a bit of that BNL Selfie Cam Jam, along with the outpouring of love for our healthcare workers and their huge appreciation for everyone who is helping them during this dangerous time.
Thank you.
When you love us in a dangerous time.
They're on the front lines of this fight, and they hear you cheering them on in Vancouver and other cities every night at 7 o'clock. The doctors, nurses, and support staff at Vancouver General Hospital say it keeps them motivated and inspired. And they add, thank you for staying home.
Gotta keep it the darkness till it bleeds daylight.